A very good morning to all of you guys. I am Ankush Gupta here at the Gate Coach, and today I am here with my points, with my analysis on what's new in Gate 2021 for chemical engineers. Okay, as a chemical engineer, what you can expect in Gate 2021. So first thing is, I hope all of you know that what is GATE exam, that is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, organized by 7 IITs and 1 ISC Bangalore all across the India, including some foreign countries like Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and all. And I hope you know that with the GATE exam, you have opportunities to do masters in India, outside India, like in the countries Singapore, Germany, where GATE score is valid in some of the universities, good universities. And if you want, you can also join PSUs. You will get a chance for the interview and then to get recruited in the top PSUs of India, in energy sector, in atomic sector and so on. Okay. Now let's talk about the GATE 2020. As all of you know, I hope, the students who are currently in third year of their BTech can also appear. Okay, they can also write the GATE exam. So this is a very good opportunity for all those students who are currently in their third year, because if you appear for the GATE 2021 exam, then you will get a very good experience of that exam, and that experience can help you when you will go in your fourth year to do good in GATE 2022. Okay, and let's talk about the exam point wise. Okay, the important thing is, first is exam pattern. Does exam pattern has changed? Yes, it has. Okay, but not that much, but it has. Till last year, if you see in GATE exam, we were having only two types of questions: multiple choice questions and numerical answer type questions, where negative marking was there for multiple choice questions and there was no negative marking for NET type questions for the incorrect answers, obviously. But this year onwards, they have also included MSQs, that is multiple select questions, and again there is no negative marking for incorrect questions. And what is multiple select questions? You will, just like the MCQs, you will have 4 options here, A, B, C, D, or maybe 5 options, and out of those 4 or 5 options you have to choose the correct ones. Like if I talk about the multiple choice questions, there we have only one correct answer out of those 4 options, but in multiple select questions you may have 2 or more than 2 correct answers. So you have to tick all those things. Okay, and personally I appreciate this move by the GATE organizing committee, because after including the MSQs type of questions, the deserving candidates, means the people, the students who have a very good knowledge, who have worked hard for the GATE 2021 exam, will be able to do well. Okay, and the people, some of the people are there who just take flukes, like let's say Jai Mata Di option A, Jai Mata Di option B, and sometimes it's correct, they got the correct answer. So ऐसे लोगों को differentiate करना थोड़ा easy हो जाएगा, according to me. Okay, next about the paper. If I talk about the GATE exam, GATE paper, so this year onwards, all of you guys from chemical engineering as well as other engineering branches as well, you can appear in GATE 2021 exam in 2 papers. You can write down 2 GATE papers. If I talk about the chemical engineering exam, so along with chemical engineering exam, the second paper you can opt out of PE, that is petroleum engineering, chemistry and engineering science. Okay, and if I talk about the papers, the pattern, then here in petroleum engineering and chemistry and engineering science, if I talk about the marks distribution and weightage. In aptitude and math, the weightage is 15 marks plus 70 marks for technical section. Okay guys, but for chemical engineering, if you see last 2 year papers 19 and 20, you will observe that the mathematics is there only for 13 marks. Okay, as it was not mentioned earlier, but this year they have mentioned that in chemical engineering the weightage will be 15 marks for aptitude, 13 marks for mathematics, and 72 marks for chemical engineering subjects, technical subjects. Okay, and here the one thing which they have done extremely well, that is they have mentioned the detailed syllabus for aptitude section. Okay, because if you see till last year the syllabus of aptitude was verbal ability, numerical ability, that's it. अब उसमें क्या पढ़ना है आप लोग खुद देख लो. Okay, but this year onwards they have mentioned that every topic and each and every inch of the syllabus from aptitude. Like you have to study verbal aptitude, and these topics are there in verbal aptitude. Quantitative aptitude is there, in which you have to study all these topics. Analytical aptitude is there, the topics they have mentioned, and the spatial aptitude part. Okay, and all these things are very easy. If you have attended our classes, then you must have known that. Okay, and if I talk about the syllabus for chemical engineering, then obviously the syllabus for chemical engineering has been revised. Okay, and revised means as such there is no reduction in any topic, there is no change in any topic, but they have added some extra topics. Okay, and if you know, in chemical engineering we have 10 subjects: process calculation, thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, mechanical operation, heat transfer, mass transfer, chemical reaction engineering, instrumentation and process control, plant design and economics, and chemical technology. Okay, and if you see the syllabus, then there is no change in plant design economics, there is no change in chemical technology, there is no change in mechanical operation, there is no change in thermodynamics, and there is no change in process calculation. They have only added the topics in fluid mechanics, in heat transfer, in mass transfer, in CRE and IPC. Okay, what are the topics they have added? So let's talk about them. In fluid mechanics, they have added one topic. They have added surface tension. I don't know what was the reason behind that, because in fluid properties already we study about the surface tension. But I can conclude, like maybe if they are mentioning surface tension, especially they are mentioning surface tension out of other fluid properties, especially here in the syllabus, it may mean that in GATE exam you may find some questions about the surface questions. Okay, so out of other fluid properties, I think, okay, it's my point of view that we should study the surface tension part in more detail as compared to other fluid properties. Okay, and they have added the transport properties which we already study in the classes. Okay, and I think all the chemical engineers must know about one subject, transport phenomena. Okay, in our 6th, 7th or 8th semester of the BTech, we study that subject, transport phenomena, where we study all the momentum flux equation, heat flux equation, mass flux equation with the help of shell balance method. Okay, so here they have mentioned that, okay, that study the shell balance method in differential form for Bernoulli equation and energy balance equation. That was there in the syllabus last year as well. Okay, but what they have added that you have to study the shell balance method for equation of continuity, equation of motion, and equation of mechanical energy as well. Okay, and one more thing they had added, the topic is pipe fitting and loss, flow through pipes. Okay, so in that topic they have added the term velocity profiles. So means this time onwards you have to study the velocity profiles as well for different types of flow behavior in those pipes. Okay, and if I talk about the heat transfer, so in heat transfer they have added one topic, that is energy equation, and I don't know what was the reason behind that, because we already studied the energy equation in heat transfer, and we already studied the energy equation in thermodynamics as well. Okay, in first law, second law of thermodynamics, mainly in first law of thermodynamics, steady flow energy equation and all these things. So we already know all these things, we already study all these things. So as such, there is no importance of this thing here, means कि we have to do something extra for this topic. इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं, इम्पोर्टेंस तो है, ऑब्वियसली सिलेबस है, पढ़ना होगा, बट आई थिंक एक्स्ट्रा बर्डन नहीं है कोई, ठीक है, क्योंकि हम ऑलरेडी ये चीज़ पढ़ते आ रहे हैं. हाँ, वन थिंग आई एम डिसअपॉइंटेड विद दिस इज this time again they haven't mentioned that you have to study the extended surfaces, fins in heat transfer, because if you see last year there was a question on the fins, but यहाँ पे इन्होंने ये mention ही नहीं किया है कि fins करना है, but अब करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर ही क्वेश्चन आया था. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज मास ट्रांसफर. तो मास ट्रांसफर में ऐसा कोई चेंज नहीं है, ना कोई टॉपिक ऐड किया है, बस हमारा एक सब्जेक्ट होता है प्रोग्राम इलेक्टिव जो हम अपने बीटेक टाइम में पढ़ते हैं, मेम्ब्रेन सेपरेशन. वो आप सभी को पूरा मेनली थियोरेटिकल सब्जेक्ट है, ठीक है. उस वाले सब्जेक्ट के कुछ टॉपिक्स इन्होंने यहाँ पे मास ट्रांसफर में मेंशन कर दिए हैं, दैट्स इट. तो ये एक एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ है जो हमें पढ़नी होगी, तो उसकी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ये बहुत सिंपल टॉपिक है, मेम्ब्रेन सेपरेशन आप सभी को आइडिया होगा जिनसे अपने प्रोग्राम इलेक्टिव में ये टॉपिक लिया होगा. इट्स अ वेरी इजी सब्जेक्ट, और मेनली हम लोग बीटेक में इस सब्जेक्ट को मार्क्स के लिए ही लेते हैं, क्योंकि हमें पता है इस सब्जेक्ट में हम इजीली मार्क्स स्कोर कर सकते हैं. सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग कि अगर गेट एग्जाम में भी इस टॉपिक के ऊपर कोई क्वेश्चन आता है तो वो डेफिनेटली एक स्कोरिंग होगा, स्कोरिंग क्वेश्चन होगा. यू कैन इजीली सिक्योर मार्क्स. नाउ chemical reaction engineering. So there they have added two things. One is kinetics of enzyme reaction. So this is something new which we have to study, because I believe that in most of the engineering colleges, in BTech as well, we don't study about all these things, the enzyme reactions. Okay, although it is mentioned in the Levenspiel book, it is mentioned in the Fogler as well, but हम BTech में ऐसा स्टडी नहीं करते हैं, ठीक है. तो ये कुछ नया है जो हमें पढ़ना होगा ऑब्वियसली, और बस इसमें इन्होंने एक चीज़ अच्छी मेंशन की है कि हमें काइनेटिक्स ही पढ़नी है, तो इसके ऊपर हमें डिजाइनिंग वगैरह ज़्यादा डिटेल में जाने की नीड नहीं है, ठीक है. तो ये कोई इतना डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक नहीं है गाइस, बिलीव मी, ठीक है. आई टीच CRE here, I discuss CRE with so many people, so I know this is not a very much difficult thing. Next they have added performance equation for catalyst deactivation. So it's also a very simple topic. Till last year, even till last week, I just completed CRE in one of the batch, and I just said that that's all guys in CRE from my side. And after 3 days I got this new syllabus where they have added these two topics. So ये भी अब मुझे कराने होंगे, but इसमें जो catalyst deactivation वाला part है, I have already discussed that thing in my classes. तो जो हमारे existing student या पुराने student हैं उन्हें पता होगा कि मैं इस part को catalyst deactivation को already class में discuss करता हूँ in a brief way, in a brief manner. अब थोड़ा डिटेल में डिस्कस करना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, इट्स वेरी इजी थिंग, ठीक है. एंड नेक्स्ट इज इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन एंड प्रोसेस कंट्रोल. सो गाइस, देयर इज अ सब्जेक्ट प्रोसेस इक्विपमेंट डिजाइन इन आवर बीटेक, वेयर वी स्टडी अबाउट द डिजाइनिंग ऑफ द प्रोसेस इक्विपमेंट्स, द मैकेनिकल डिजाइनिंग ऑफ द प्रोसेस इक्विपमेंट्स, सॉरी. तो वहां पे एक टॉपिक आता है ब्लॉक डायग्राम्स, प्रोसेस फ्लो डायग्राम्स, P&ID डायग्राम्स, सो मेनी डायग्राम्स आर देयर. वो सब चीज़ें हम वहाँ स्टडी करते हैं, ठीक है. उनके सिंबल्स क्या हैं, व्हाट आर द नोटेशंस वी हैव टू यूज, हाउ टू ड्रॉ दीज डायग्राम्स. सो सेम थिंग दे हैव एडेड इन हियर इन इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन प्रोसेस कंट्रोल. सो इट्स नॉट अ बिग थिंग टू वरी अबाउट, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी सिंपल थिंग. ओके, एंड जो हमारी PSUs की एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस होती हैं अदर देन गेट, for additional classes which we already have for the PSU candidates, वहाँ पे हम ये सब चीज़ें डिस्कस करते हैं, ठीक है. तो जो हमारे ओल्ड स्टूडेंट्स हैं, एग्जिस्टिंग स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उन्हें वरी करने की नीड नहीं है, ये पार्ट हम यहाँ पे भी डिस्कस करेंगे, या फिर जो भी आने वाले अपकमिंग स्टूडेंट्स हैं, डोंट वरी गाइस. नेक्स्ट दे हैव मेंशन ट्रांसड्यूसर डायनेमिक्स. सो आपको डायनेमिक्स बिहेवियर, डायनेमिक्स कंट्रोल वाला जो टॉपिक है वहाँ पे ये चीज़ भी स्टडी करनी होगी, ठीक है, ट्रांसड्यूसर्स के ऊपर बेसिकली. एंड आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू नो दैट ट्रांसड्यूसर्स आर बेसिकली द कन्वर्टर्स which convert the signals from one form of energy to another and all these things. It's not a big deal, we can do all these things, okay. And one thing I have to mention to all of you guys from our management side, मैसेज है जो आप सभी को पास ऑन करना है, एंड द मैसेज इज all these topics which have been added in the syllabus, all these newly added topics of the syllabus, we will provide you for free of cost. Okay, we will provide all these topics to our all old, new, upcoming, all existing, to all of our students free of cost. क्योंकि जो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स लास्ट ईयर थे, उससे पहले थे, जिन्होंने यहाँ पे ज्वाइन किया था, ऑब्वियसली अब इस बार दोबारा अगर गेट एग्जाम देना चाहेंगे तो उन्हें प्रिपेयर करना होगा, तो ये जो एक्स्ट्रा टॉपिक्स हमारे ऐड हुए हैं सब हम आप लोगों को फ्री में प्रोवाइड करेंगे. दिस इज अ मैसेज आई वांट टू पास यू ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ टीजीसी मैनेजमेंट, द गेट कोच मैनेजमेंट. ठीक है, सो ये जो मैसेज है, ये जो पॉइंट है, अपने बाकी फेलो फ्रेंड्स को, स्टूडेंट्स को भी बता देना, जो मे बी वो वीडियो देखें ना देखें, आई डोंट नो, उन तक वीडियो पहुंचे ना पहुंचे, तो आप पहुंचा भी देना और बता भी देना. ठीक है, बाकी और उसकी एडिशनल डिटेल्स के लिए, इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए, उन टॉपिक्स के लिंक्स के लिए, वीडियो लिंक्स कैसे आप देख सकते हो, कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म पे देख सकते हो, आप हमारे नंबर्स पे, दीज आर द नंबर्स, यू कैन कॉल, यू कैन मेल, you can WhatsApp, you can tweet, you can send message on the Facebook, you can DM on the Instagram, you can do anything. We are available on every social media platform, almost every social media platform. Even you can send us telegrams. ठीक है, and if you want to post letters, you can do that as well. ठीक है, तो वो कोई बड़ी चीज नहीं है. एड्रेस भी आपको हमारी वीडियो में मिल जाएगा, बैनर्स में मिल जाएगा, वेबसाइट पे मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, एंड सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो मुझे एक आपको बतानी है, दैट इज फ्रॉम माई साइड. Don't worry about the GATE exam, okay? Don't fear when we are here. Don't fear when we are here. We will help you in every possible manner to get a good rank in GATE 2021 exam. Either you are a student or you are doing your self preparation, you are always welcome to discuss your doubts, your queries through email, through calls, through WhatsApp. ठीक है, anytime. And one thing which I want to tell you, that if you see the calendar, according to the calendar, GATE exam is most probably for chemical engineers, GATE exam will be held most probably on 5th Feb. Okay, 5th और 6th Feb को होगा most probably, as per my experience, क्योंकि हमेशा फर्स्ट वीकेंड को ही होता है गेट एग्जाम टिल लास्ट ईयर, और इस बार भी ऐसा ही होगा, तो 5th या 6th फेब को ही होगा मोस्ट प्रोबेबली. तो उसके बाद आपके पास अच्छा खासा टाइम होगा अपना वैलेंटाइन वीक सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, या तो खुशी में या फिर दुख में, वो कैसे करना है वो आप लोग देख सकते हो. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए क्या करना होगा, इफ यू सी द कैलेंडर, अकॉर्डिंग टू कैलेंडर वी हैव 180 डेज. और अगर आप देखोगे तो आपको मार्केट में बहुत सारी वीडियोस मिल रही होंगी, 180 डेज स्ट्रेटेजी, 180 डेज प्रिपरेशन मेथड्स, व्हाट टू डू इन 180 डेज, व्हाट टू डू इन 6 months फॉर गेट एग्जाम, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. ओके, आई एम नॉट क्रिटिसाइजिंग एनीवन, और ना मेरा सबसे किसी से मतलब है, मुझे बस आप लोगों से सिर्फ एक चीज बोलनी है, बी फैक्चुअल. इफ यू सी द कैलेंडर देयर आर 180 days, बट effectively how much time do you have? So let's try to break down the day, break down these months, okay, by doing some simple mathematical calculations. I believe on an average every one of you, I think most of you are at your home because of this COVID-19 pandemic, so you guys must have developed some bad habits and good habits. Bad habit like 7 to 8 hours sleep. Okay, so I assume that on an average you are taking 7 hours sleep a day. Then 2 hours you are consuming for your food, means breakfast, lunch, dinner, breakfast, evening snacks, everything. ठीक है, and 1 hour you are using for some socializing, some behavior, relationship managements, like with your family, with your friends, with your extended family, with your father-in-law, mother-in-law, girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, उन सब के साथ आप 1 hour डे में ऑलमोस्ट स्पेंड कर ही रहे होगे मिनिमम, ऐसा मैं एज्यूम करता हूँ. तो इफ वी सी, तो दीज आर द 10 hours which are mandatory for us, in which we can't do anything and we can't ignore all these 10 hours. तो ये 10 hours ऐसे हैं जिसमें हमें कुछ कर नहीं सकते, ये तो फिक्स है. We have to spend these 10 hours for our livelihood. As we are so human, we are human being, we are social animal, तो हम ये सब करेंगे. ठीक है, वी आर मैंगो पीपल। तो ये 10 आवर्स में हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते। तो इफ यू सी वी हैव 180 days left for GATE exam. 180 days multiplied by 10 hours, that is 1800 hours, and 1800 hours we are going to spend for our livelihood, for which we can't do anything. We have to spend that, this is fixed. Okay, and what is that 1800 hours? Divide this 1800 hours by 24, that is equivalent to 75 days. Means in next 6 months we are going to spend 75 days just because of just on livelihood. ठीक है, in which we will sleep, we will eat food, we will do the daily chores, we will do the relationship management, all the things. Okay, so these are 75 days. Total was 180. So effectively we have 105 days. And now in the next 6 months you will have definitely Independence Day, Diwali, Christmas, New Year, your wedding, your friend's wedding, your birthday, your friend's birthday, तुम्हारे कुत्ते का बर्थडे, तुम्हारी बिल्ली का बर्थडे, तुम्हारे फूफा का बर्थडे, तुम्हारे चाचा की शादी, सब कुछ होगा. तो we have to spend some days there as well. We can't ignore that as well, because we are Indians and we have a very good, we want to have a very good relationships in our family and friends. तो ये सब चीजें हम इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते. तो आई एज्यूम दैट ऑलमोस्ट 10 to 15 days यू आर गोइंग टू इन्वेस्ट इन ऑल दोज थिंग्स एज वेल. ठीक है, तो आपके पास इफेक्टिवली क्या बचता है? 90 days. एंड इन दोज 90 days means you have to do your study. Either you are doing self preparation, then you have to do that. If you are attending the classes, you have to do that. If you are attending the college, you have to do that. If you are attending the coaching classes, you have to do that as well. Plus you have to do your self preparation, plus you have to attempt the on practice test series, you have to do the multiple revisions, all the things. आपको short notes बनाने हैं, सब कुछ करना है in those effective 90 days. And how many subjects we have? 10 technical plus 2 non-technical, 12 subjects we have. So if you divide 90 by 12, it means for one subject you have almost 7 days. Approximately 7 days are there for one subject. तो effectively आपके पास एक सब्जेक्ट को completely रिवाइज करने के लिए, फर्स्ट टाइम स्टडी करने के लिए, रिवीजन करने के लिए, प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए, गेट प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस करने के लिए, शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाने के लिए, बहुत सारी चीजें ये सब करने के लिए 7 days बचते हैं. सो ये जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, डोंट फियर विद दिस, डराने के लिए नहीं बता रहा हूँ, मैं आपको फैक्ट बता रहा हूँ. ठीक है, एंड फॉर गेट एग्जाम ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, यू हैव टू बी जस्ट कंसिस्टेंट एंड यू हैव टू यूटिलाइज योर टाइम प्रॉपरली. ठीक है, अगर आप अपना टाइम मैनेज कर पा रहे हो अच्छे से, आप अपना टाइम मैनेजमेंट कर पा रहे हो, आप अपने टाइम को इफेक्टिवली यूज कर रहे हो, ठीक है, यू कैन इजीली गेट अ वेरी गुड रैंक इन गेट एग्जाम. बिलीव मी, इट्स पॉसिबल इन स्पेशली इन केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग. ओके, so guys, and one more interesting thing I want to share with all of you, that as most of you know that, I think all of you know that we have started our test series from 5th June for GATE 2021. This was 3 level test series: basic level, advanced level and toppers level. So in basic level test series, subject wise paper has been completed almost. The last paper will be held on tomorrow on 11th August. And the full length paper are going to start from 16th August in basic level, and then we will have the subject wise advanced level and full length advanced level, and then toppers level test series. So in all the remaining tests we have already changed question papers. Those question papers will be based on new exam pattern. Okay, where you will have MCQs, where you will get NATs, and you will also get MSQs. So जिन लोगों ने भी टेस्ट सीरीज दे रहे हैं उन्हें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. जो लोग नहीं दे रहे हैं प्लीज देना स्टार्ट कर दो, और जो लोग अभी भी टेस्ट सीरीज सोच रहे हैं कि दें ना दें, अरे भाई किसका वेट कर रहे हो, जल्दी से टेस्ट सीरीज स्टार्ट करो देना. ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स दे रहे हैं, उनके साथ आप कंप्लीट करोगे तो आपको अभी से आइडिया लग जाएगा कि आपको अगले इफेक्टिव 90 डेज में और कैलेंडर के अकॉर्डिंग 180 डेज में किस तरह से प्रिपरेशन करनी है. तो guys, hurry up, register yourself, and for any inquiry call us. Okay, thank you. And if anything else you wanna know, then you can comment in the video, or you can mail us, you can call us, you can WhatsApp us, Telegram us, Facebook us, Instagram us, Pinterest पे भी हम लोग हैं, आप हर जगह हम हैं, हम हर जगह हैं, लगभग जितने भी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म है वहाँ सभी जगह द गेट कोच हम हैं, ठीक है। तो आप हमें किसी भी तरह से करना चाहो तो आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो फॉर एनी एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन और क्वेरी। ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल गाइस। इसके अलावा तो आई डोंट थिंक मुझे आपको ऐसा और कोई पॉइंट बताना है। बस हाँ, एक चीज़ बोलूँगा कि अगर आप में से कोई 2 एग्ज़ाम देने के बारे में सोच रहा है, सो मीन्स you have to complete your 2 degrees in next 6 months or effective 90 days. So if you want any guidance about that, then you can do that, no problem. और उन 2 सब्जेक्ट्स के बारे में एक चीज आपको बता दूं, दोनों सब्जेक्ट्स का स्कोर आप यूज कर सकते हो, बट ऑब्वियसली इन अ कॉलेज, इन वन कॉलेज यू कैन यूज ओनली वन स्कोर, ठीक है। एक कॉलेज में आप किसी एक स्कोर को, लाइक इफ यू वांट टू अप्लाई फॉर एमटेक इन आईआईटी दिल्ली, तो वहां पे आप अगर केमिकल का स्कोर यूज कर रहे हो तो आप दूसरा स्कोर यूज नहीं कर पाओगे, ठीक है, एज पर द इंफॉर्मेशन वी हैव। अगर कोई इसमें डिपार्टमेंट वाइज होगा कि एक डिपार्टमेंट में केमिकल के स्कोर से, दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट में पेट्रोलियम के स्कोर से आप कर सकते हो, तो वो अलग स्टोरी है। बट इन द सेम डिपार्टमेंट यू कैन यूज ओनली वन स्कोर, दैट इज कंफर्म। ओके, सो थैंक यू गाइस एंड बी हैप्पी, बी स्ट्रांग, see you, take care, stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you guys.